Well, living in Delhi, I can tell you the national capital looks more like a huge open pit than an actual city. Delhi, which is to host a mega sporting event, the Commonwealth Games, in just a couple of months, is anything but ready. There's no coordination between departments, and the monsoons are wreaking havoc in the lives of every single citizen of the city. Our correspondents did a status check. Delhiites, brace yourselves, because this mess is just about to get a lot worse.
Just a kilometre away from the Commonwealth Games village, this is how the ITO underpass looks. After Monday's rain, the road is still completely flooded. And waterlogging is causing mile-long traffic jams.
This is the very road which you can see, ITO Road, ITO Bridge, which the Commonwealth participants, the athletes who will be coming for the mega sports events in October will be taking, because the Commonwealth Games village is right across the road. From what you can see right now, construction work is on. The pipes are being laid now, post 12 hours of the downpour which took place on Tuesday evening. The condition is absolutely deplorable, and it's very, very ironic because we have the government saying the condition is absolutely fine. We have the Chief Minister saying that everything is normal, and we are very proud to hold the Commonwealth Games village. But this is the real picture on ground zero, which we think the Delhi government really needs to see.
The ITO underpass is one of Asia's busiest intersections and is one of the main entry points to the Commonwealth Games village, where all international athletes will be staying during the Games. But after just 3 hours of rain, almost all areas around the CWG village were flooded with water, and there were major traffic snarls. ITO Bridge, IB Flyover, Lakshmi Nagar Chungi were the problem areas that exposed the chinks in the infrastructure for Commonwealth Games. With just 82 days left before the Games, this messy state of affairs is a huge embarrassment. And looks like the capital is struggling to meet the deadline for the Games.
It is also a slap on the Sheila Dikshit government. They've been claiming all this while that Delhi is not only prepared for Commonwealth Games but also for Olympics. But only one rain, one downpour can bring this entire city to a standstill. How can they really claim anything? In fact, Commonwealth Games is less than 3 months away, and the infrastructure is not even ready. In fact, a lot of structures caved in during the last rain, and today now it's causing so much chaos, congestion and confusion to add to this.
This is one of the roads that leads to Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, the stadium that's going to host the opening ceremony, the closing ceremony, and many other sporting events. But look at the condition. The roads here are dug and access points are nowhere near completion. On top of that, the rains are making things even more worse. Just a little over 2 months left for the Games, when the finishing touches and rehearsals should have been on. The authorities are still busy filling the potholes.
The Chief Minister and the civic agencies woke up to the mayhem in Delhi only by Tuesday afternoon. Sheila Dikshit personally visited the areas affected by rain. She asked for the civic bodies to submit an inspection report, but didn't have any answers herself.
We are preparing ourselves to the best.
The BJP lost no time in pointing accusing fingers and calling it a big scam.
दाल में काला है, लेकिन अब पूरी की पूरी दाल काली दिख रही है। और जब रात है इतनी मतवाली, तो सुबह का आलम क्या होगा? जब रात में थोड़ी सी बारिश में ये हाल हुआ है, तो आगे अगर इसी तरह की कोई चुनौती आई तो क्या होगा? मैं मानता हूं कि इसमें बहुत बड़े लेवल पर घोटाला हुआ है, और कॉमनवेल्थ के नाम पर केंद्र सरकार भी आंख बंद करके घूम रही थी, और प्रदेश सरकार जो कांग्रेस पार्टी की है उसने भी पूरी तरह से आंख बंद करके काम किया है।
With Tavleen Singh and Paulami Saha in Delhi, Chandni for Headlines Today.